YouTube started recommending my videos the minute I started doing these 4 things that I am going to be sharing with you right now. So if you're out there, you're struggling with low views, it seems like your channel is stuck, or you keep uploading videos and nobody is even clicking to watch, it simply means that the YouTube algorithm is not recommending your videos. Most of the time, you might have the best or the most quality content, but if these things are not fixed in place, your videos are not going to be getting recommendation. So right now I'll be showing you the reason why your videos are not getting that recommendation and how you can fix it immediately. So with that much being said, let's get straight into the video. First of all, you have to understand that the YouTube algorithm cannot be against you. It actually works with the behavior of your audience towards your videos. So right now I'm going to be sharing with you 3 reasons why your videos are not being recommended. Then after that, I'll be giving you the 4 things you just need to go ahead and do ASAP, and your videos will start getting recommendation. Now, the very first reason why YouTube algorithm is not recommending your video is low CTR, which is also known as low click-through rate. See, the minute you upload your video and people keep seeing your video, that is, YouTube is pushing your videos to them, but they are not clicking on it and they are not even watching it, it automatically makes your click-through rate to drop. And once it drop, YouTube consider the video as a video not worth pushing. Now, if you're thinking, how can I be able to fix this particular issue, what you just need to do is to work on your titles and your thumbnail, because those 2 things are responsible in hooking and grabbing the attention of a viewer. Now, for example, let's assume you are scrolling on the YouTube homepage and you come across 2 different titles. One says my YouTube journey so far, and the second one says how I got monetized with just 150 views. Which one are you going to click on? Obviously the second title, right? So this is basically how it works. Okay, so try your best to put in a lot of work on your title and your thumbnail. Okay, now the second reason why your videos are not being recommended is low retention, which is if people clicks on your video and as soon as they just click, they tend to click off immediately, leading to low retention, leading to low average view duration. YouTube automatically will see the video as is not worth pushing, because imagine YouTube pushing your videos and people are behaving wrongly with it. So they just see that there is no need of pushing this video, and that is why your video will just flop. Now, what do you need to do? You have to try your best to make sure you hook people in. From the first 15 to 30 seconds of your video, try your best to hook them. At least let them watch above that 30 to 1 minute of your video. So instead of all those our formal greeting of hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, this channel is about this. So okay, thank you so much for joining her. I have a sponsorship program. In today's video I will show you, in this era 2025, when you don't even have the audience yet, stop it, okay, and try your best to jump straight into value. In fact, 10 seconds should even be okay, or 15 seconds. Just go straight and give us the value. If you're somebody that have the audience already, it might work out for you. Now, the third thing is no clear topic. If YouTube is not able to gather enough metadata for your video, or maybe you are using a mixed kind of topic, it will not really know the right audience to push you to. And that is why you see sometimes you post video and at the end of the day you don't just get views. So now, for example, using okay, so now for example, instead of going ahead to use a title like life update or my life update, like a very brand new channel, or channel with a very low audience, people might not really understand, okay, life update on what exactly. So using that kind of title when you're not really all that known might not work out. But let's assume you use a title like how I got my first ever YouTube paycheck in a lifestyle niche. At least this gives a clear clarity. Somebody do not need to know you before watching that kind of video. So try your best to put these things in place. Okay, so right now, here are the 4 things you need to do in order for your videos to start getting recommendations ASAP. So the first thing is upgrade your thumbnail plus title combo. Try your best to use emotion plus curiosity plus contrast. Now, you all know that the contrast is going directly to your thumbnail. The emotion is going directly to your title, and the curiosity is going directly to your thumbnail. For example, let's say you are in a YouTube growth and tutorial niche, and you make a video about a particular setting to turn off or how to get view. Writing something like dead YouTube channel with dead YouTube channel, turn this off, can actually make a viewer want to click. Oh, my channel is not getting the visibility. What could be going wrong? Could it be that this video might be the answer to my issue? Try your best to design your thumbnail very well. You can create thumbnail from the same CapCut you use in editing your video. Every thumbnail I have on my channel, both on my lifestyle channels, I literally use CapCut to do every single thing. So the second thing is focus on one topic per video. No more everything is content. That is, try your best to stop mixing things up. Okay, now for example, you want to make a particular video or a vlog, and you go ahead giving it a title like days in my life plus YouTube tips plus grocery shopping. That is mixing close to 4 different ideas on one particular video. Aside from it causing confusion or less interest from your viewers, that is from your audience, it can also make YouTube algorithm not to really classify your video well. Now, YouTube algorithm will not be able to detect, okay, if this video is tutorial kind of video, so pushing it to those kind of audience would be best. They won't be able to decide that. It's just like you doing every single thing on one particular video. So try your best to be able to define a particular title, define a particular video. Okay. Now, the third thing is try your best to boost your watch time with a strong ending. So once you're done with your video, always try your best to add stuffs like watch this next. That is, okay, I did a video on this particular thing. It's really going to help you. I see this on a lot of all these big YouTubers. Funny enough, we small channels, we don't really make use of it, but they work very well. If you watch VidIQ, you watch Robert Benjamin, you watch Dan the creator, just name them, they always say this towards the ending of their video, and after saying it, you will see end screen and YouTube cards popping up everywhere. So try your best to always add end screen and YouTube card towards the end of your video. Now, end screen are those boxes that appears at the end of your video, which is more like you advertising that video. Now, if you might be done watching a day in your life, and you have other videos that is relating to maybe you cooking or grocery shopping, you, you can decide to add them at the end and tell them to go ahead and watch these videos. It helps and it goes a long way. Okay, so if you're out there, you don't know how to create end screen and YouTube card, feel free to drop it in the comment section, and I'll be sharing a video to you to go and watch on how to create and start using yours. Okay, and lastly, the fourth tip is try your best to use playlists plus internal linking. Now, you have to understand that playlist plays a huge role on your journey here as a YouTuber. Try to use playlists to signal YouTube that your contents are connected. Now, in what extent? So let's assume you have videos on how to get more views on YouTube. You have them close to like 7 or 10 on your channel. Gather them and tie them to one single playlist. Now, while setting up your end screen and your YouTube card, you know that you will see option for you to add playlists. Try to add playlists as your end screen. Add playlists when fixing your YouTube cards. This helps for recommendation. In fact, these three things, they are really very important. They are actually what has helped me on this my channel and even on my lifestyle channel. I don't play with these three YouTube inbuilt features. They've done wonders on my channel. If you're able to understand and use it the right way, try to use them on each video on your channel. You will see that recommendation coming. There is no magic. You will see the recommendation and you will see that YouTube is suggesting your videos. Okay? And yes, if you've made it to this point and you've not yet liked this video, please do well to like this video, drop me your comments, and please subscribe to my channel. And lastly, out of these 4 tips that I've listed, Which one of them are you going to be trying soon? Do well to let me know in the comment section and I will be with you. So thank you guys for watching as usual. I will see you all on my next video. Bye.